learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This whole month we're talking about Hakka beliefs, and we're trying to go in depth with Leo right here, who is my mentor, my teacher. And Leo, 今天呢，我们来教一些还是一样客家的信仰，可是或許呢，你常常有时候会提一些谚语啊。
谚语，
我很喜欢谚语，因为它是一个故事的感觉，可是呢又带到一些情节跟它的用意。
客家的文化可以相结合。
Exactly. Let's have Leo teach us another Hakka idiom that can bring out some Hakka beliefs again. So,
好，我今天教这个叫做六月天公，
六月天公，
假神牌會甜筒。
假神牌會甜筒哦，还有押韵的感觉哈。对啊，其实这个东西就有趣了。好，我们一段一段来 break it down，OK？ 我们来看看这是什么意思。六月天公是不是？
它是指说农历6月这个时节。
哦 ，OK，so 六月 that's the 6th month during this time，
而且6月。大家都知道，农民最忙的时候。
Okay, so why the 6th month of the lunar calendar? Because usually during this time, farmers are very busy, whatever they've planted throughout the year. Okay, 所以6月天公之后怎么样？
假神牌会甜筒。
Okay, 这个就要好好来解释了。
就是说，那个祖先牌位都会动起来。
那不是很可怕吗？
不是啦，只是一个形容词。就是来形容那个6月的时候全家大小在忙的时候，那个祖先牌位看到都忍不住想要下来帮忙。
这样就变可爱了，这样变动画起来了，
对
你知道吗？从刚刚的恐怖片变成是动画片的，对对对。So that's a very interesting idiom. Again, it's describing during the 6th month of the lunar calendar how the Hakka people and especially farmers are going to be so busy that even their ancestors on the family altar, they're going to be moving too because they want to help out. All right, so let's go ahead and hear the explanation entirely in English right now.
During planting season, even the gods rattle around on their pedestals. This Hakka phrase is a metaphor for the busy pre-summer farm work season that occurs during the 6th lunar month of the year. The phrase means that during the planting season, the whole family is busy working on the farm, and even the gods in their shrine start moving around because they want to help out as well.
So once again, it's a very interesting idiom. 再讲一次这个谚语叫做
六月天公，
六月天公，
假神牌會甜筒，
假神牌會甜筒。So there you go. Let's talk about Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.